Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw the Eave detail. Let's get into it. So first off, you want to do rectangle REC, enter here. In distance I'll use 150, tab 2000, enter. Then REC again, and this time this is the ring beam. The ring beam to be about 150, tab 300, enter. Then move, enter, click this, click that. Then offset, OF, enter. Here. 25, enter. Click it, go in. Yeah. Alright, escape. Circle, and 10 radius, or just press T. Click here, click there. 7 or 6.5. Use 7. It's quicker, better, stronger. And the mirror, click this. The mirror line from here to there, and it should pop up like that. And MI again, click there, click there, enter. Mirror lines right here. No, that's wrong. Whoa. So, sorry guys. MI, enter again. Click this, click that, enter. Click this, click there, enter. And circle, 2P, click there, go up, 13, enter. You can use mirror, but I'm going to use mirror. There, there, enter. You're going to use hatch now. Hatch. Use solid. Go up, solid. Solid right there. Click there. Click. Click that. Click that circle. So click all 6 circles. Escape. And then you're going to draw the wall plate. Wall plate is about 100 by 80. 100 dot 80. Enter. Then move, enter. Click the middle right there. Click there. Then REC again. Here. We're going to draw the joist. And the joist could be between 50 and 50, tab 80, enter. Maybe I gotta, no. REC, enter. I'll do this random way. I know it works. Alright, click here. REC, enter. Click this, click there, and you have that. This is the joist. No, the joist. Then next we're going to draw a line about 1,000. You can use 1,000, but I'm going to use 2,000. Tab 30, enter. Click this, drag, turn off ortho if it is on, zoom in, like right there. Then skip again. Then now we're gonna offset, OF, enter, and it also this has to be 150, 150, enter, 150, enter. Click this, go up, and yeah, then click this again, go up, but this time it's going to be 25, enter. Click this again, go up, 6, enter. Okay. Then from this point right here, we're going to circle, enter from, okay, circle, enter from this point up, 170, enter, which is 170. Then use polyline, click here, up to here, to there. Just keep. Now you have this function line, and turn on auto, because you might need it later. Then CO, enter, which is copy, click there. Then click this point, click there, click there, click there, click there, click there, and we're going to keep clicking to the end. Click there, click go up. Then go from here, draw a line, and you can click this circle. It's pretty useless. Click this, delete. Then after that, I'm gonna draw the fascia. Alright, from right here, go up there. No, go to the side, 450, and just swipe up. And then anything from here, you trim. TR, enter. Trim. Trim. Trim that out. Trim. 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 Then from here, we're gonna draw the fascia. Alright, fascia is about 25. So REC, enter. 25, tab, 250, enter. Then highlight that, move, enter. Click there. Right there. Yeah, right there. It's perfect. Delete this line. It's gonna confuse me and sometimes even you guys. Oh, nah, just keep it. And then REC, enter. This can be about, I'll use 25. Oh, no. I'll use REC, enter. This one I'll use, no, 450, tab, 25, enter. Enter, click there. Click from there. TR, enter. Enter. There. And after you're done, after that's, oh wait, I'm gonna add my hatch to it. Hatch, this. No, not one. That might be the wrong one. Go down, where's that one? Yeah, right, this one, I think. Nope, not that one. Not that one. Oh, no, it's the same one. Got it, guys. Then after, we're gonna add our hatch. Wait a second. Trim that out. There. Delete. Click there. There. Now go to hatch or drop down. And this one I'm gonna use AR concrete or actually AR sand. Is there anything there or something? Go to hatch again. I'm just gonna leave hatch. Trim this out. Trim that out. TR, enter. Go down. Trim that out. Trim that out. Escape. And I hope you guys enjoyed this banger video. Please consider like and subscribe. You guys are the best. Have a great good morning or good night.